So you're a passionate esthetician. You pour your heart into your work. But when it comes to marketing, it just feels like it isn't delivering the clients you really deserve. If that sounds like you, then you are in exactly the right place. Today, we're going to talk about how to turn that marketing headache into a predictable, powerful engine that actually grows your business. Let's dive in.
Does this feel familiar? You're running social media ads, you're sending out emails, you're posting about special offers, but it all just feels like a shot in the dark. You're putting in the time, you're spending the money, but the actual return, the bookings, the loyal clients, it's just not quite there. It's a super common frustration, and believe me, you are not alone.
And this quote right here, this just nails it, doesn't it? It perfectly captures that feeling, that cycle of spending money, not seeing the results, and then being hesitant to invest anymore because you're just not sure what's actually working. It's this uncertainty that really puts the brakes on growth. But today, we're going to break that cycle for good. So let's just look at the difference here. On one side, you have that traditional marketing approach. It's kind of generic, it's incredibly manual. It takes up so much of your time, and the results are totally unpredictable. But then on the other side, that's the goal, right? A system that's personalized, that's automated, and that leads to real, profitable growth. So the big question is, how do we get from column 1 over to column 2?
Well, the answer is all about finding a smarter way to grow. We are going to break that frustrating cycle by using two incredibly powerful tools: artificial intelligence and automation. And look, this isn't just some theory. Businesses that actually adopt these tools don't just save time, they literally grow their client base while they sleep.
And let's be really clear about this. This is not about pouring more hours into your marketing or just throwing more money at ads that don't convert. The solution is to completely shift your strategy from just pure effort to intelligent execution. It's about working smarter, not harder.
So what do I actually mean by working smarter? We're talking about putting together what we call an AI toolkit. I want you to think of it like your new digital assistant. It's an integrated system of smart tools that are designed to automate your marketing, personalize how you talk to every single client, and give you the data you need to make smart decisions that actually grow your business.
Okay, enough theory. It's time to get practical. Let's pull back the curtain and look at the specific tools that make up this AI-powered toolkit and see exactly how they can transform your marketing, starting from the ground up.
First things first, you need a command center. This is where you get everything organized. With a tool like Notion, you can build a central hub to keep track of all your client preferences and plan out your content. Then, you can use something like fillout.com to create super simple forms that automatically collect that priceless client feedback, saving you all that time from doing manual follow-ups. All right, next up, every business needs a creative studio. With Canva's new AI features, you can design stunning professional graphics in just a few minutes, even if you're not a designer. A tool like Opus Clip can take one of your long videos and, almost like magic, chop it up into a bunch of engaging short clips that are perfect for social media. And then Cloudinary just works in the background, making sure all your images are optimized so your website loads fast and looks amazing every single time. Now this is where the real power is. This is your automation engine. Think of ChatGPT as your personal on-demand copywriter, ready to whip up personalized emails and social media posts in seconds. And then you have Make.com. This is the super glue that holds everything together. It connects all your different apps so you can create these simple automated workflows that basically put your marketing on autopilot. Okay, so we've seen all the individual tools, but how do they actually, work together? Let's walk through a real-world example to see this automation in action and how it can turn a boring manual task into a total success story. And the reason this whole system works so well is actually pretty simple. Instead of just guessing what your clients want, you're using a system that actually listens, adapts, and responds to them automatically. You're turning all that frustrating guesswork into a predictable, repeatable engine that drives real growth. And this shows you exactly how it works. Just imagine this. A client finishes a service, and they fill out a quick feedback form from fillout.com. Instantly, the system zaps that feedback over to update their profile in Notion. Then, ChatGPT reads their comments and drafts a perfect, personalized thank you email, maybe even with a special offer for a service they mentioned wanting to try. And finally, the system sends that email out automatically. The best part? You didn't lift a finger. It's an amazing experience for your client and zero manual work for you.
Feeling inspired? I hope so, because the best part is you can start seeing results right away. Let's talk about a few simple, actionable things you can do today to start transforming your business.
Here it is, your 3-step action plan. First, centralize. Just get started in Notion with a basic client tracker and content calendar. It doesn't have to be perfect. Second, automate.
Use ChatGPT to write just 3 personalized follow-up email templates for your most popular services. And third, analyze. Take a look at your last social media campaign and use an AI tool to quickly figure out what really resonated with your audience. These small steps, I promise, can create huge momentum.
Now I get it. Building all these systems can feel a bit overwhelming, especially when you're already busy running your business. If you really want to fast-track your success and get some one-on-one help, expert guidance can make all the difference in the world.
And to make that guidance super accessible, our partners at SmartOps are offering a special one-on-one knowledge session with one of their AI specialists. It's a chance to get a personalized roadmap and ask all the specific questions you have about your own business.
So, here's the bottom line. Marketing does not have to be a source of frustration. It doesn't have to be a guessing game. With the right tools and a smarter strategy, it can become your single biggest strength, a reliable engine that brings in the amazing loyal clients you deserve. The only question left is, are you ready to make that change?